Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to install artificial grass. Firstly, you need to prepare the base. Clear the area of grass, roots, mulch, and obstacles. Dig out soil about 2.5 inches deep, then call 811 before digging to check for underground utilities. Now lay down a weed barrier fabric and overlap pieces and secure with galvanized nails every few feet. Spread a 2 to 4 inch layer of gravel or crushed stone and smooth and level the surface, avoiding low spots. Use a rake to spread and level the aggregate and compact the paste with a hand temper or plate compactor. Lay the artificial turf cover the base, avoiding dragging it, and cut slightly larger than the area to ensure full coverage. Align and seam multiple turf pieces with seaming cloth and secure the cloth with galvanized nails. Now spread the outdoor carpet adhesive on the seaming cloth and join the seams carefully to avoid gaps. Anchor the edges and key points with the nails to keep the turf flat, then trim excess grass for a neat finish. Finally, spread the infill like the silica sand over the surface and brush the infill into the turf to keep fibers upright. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.